Guess what we have on our desktop? Numero. Let me show you what happens when I execute it. Quick rename to exe and execute. Looks like a cute little fish. So give it administrator privileges. Why not? And now let's say I try to open a window. Like run, look what happens to the window. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. That's the window title. That's the contents of the window. That's what's in the bar. And if we try to type something else, well, you can't. It just keeps getting reset. You can see I'm banging my keyboard as hard as I can, but the characters keep getting deleted and replaced. And look at all the options we have. What can we do with this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So let's try clicking on one of these. Oh, can't find it. Let's try a different window. Maybe our luck will change. Let's try to open Notepad. Oh shit, it comes preloaded with 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 0. If we try to save this, again, all our options are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. And I cannot do anything else. Like I cannot type in anything else anywhere on the screen. So this is like a throwback to the good old days of computer malware destroying your computer. And that's what this malware does. It does not let you do anything else. Once it's installed, once it's running on your computer, any window you open, any option is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. And there's absolutely nothing you can do about it while the malware is running, of course. Let's try a little task manager here, see if that can save us. We try to terminate this process right here and task. I believe we have found the culprit, win title. If I try to end that task. So this malware kind of injects itself into the UI of Windows, making it unusable. I have not seen anything like this for a very long time, and I didn't even think that was possible with the current framework of Windows, but apparently it is. And this malware does it very well. I see a missed opportunity in terms of the different options. It'd be really funny if the different options were something other than just a bunch of numbers, but it is quite destructive, and there's no easy fix for this. I mean, I did try to go into Task Manager and try to terminate it, but that doesn't do you any good. First of all, good idea figuring out what this is even. And even if you terminate the original installer file, which is deleted anyway, you're not really going to get your system back. Now, interestingly, this thing is spread via a fake AI installer. So it pretends to be some kind of AI program that you download and launch, and then this is what happens. It's a fake installer that runs the malware. Now, interestingly, it says that the Numero executable with file name wintitle.exe is the malware, but like I said, even if you terminate that process, the effects remain. And that is because it's being continuously run on the victim machine. So you can see a little script here. So it's starting the process all the time and ending it all the time. So even if you end it, it's just going to start up all over again. It's an infinite loop. So nothing particularly sophisticated, but still neat in terms of how it executes and completely wreaks havoc if you don't know what's happening. So the way it works is it uses the Windows APIs to get desktop window, get child window, send message, and it's continuously monitoring your desktop window and hooking into the child window that's created, and then it replaces the window title, overwrites the window title, the buttons, and the contents with the numeric string 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. And it does that for everything, and so the machine is unusable. And it all stems from an AI video creation tool, which I suppose a lot of people might be looking for. There's a lot of interesting malware that's emerging at the moment thanks to, I think, a combination of factors. A lot more consumer interest in downloading software, especially related to AI, because they think it can do something magical. Secondly, it's just the barrier to entry for programming is so low. Anyone can create malware, and it's not that hard necessarily to create a destructive malware for Windows. I mean, as you can see, it's as simple as just replacing the user window contents, and now your computer is kind of screwed. Now, this is only a 310 kilobyte file. If we check out the properties, as you can see, we have absolute mayhem over here. Every single item in this window, other than the top, funnily enough, the tabs are still okay. We see general compatibility, digital signatures, and so on, but all the data inside of it is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. It's really funny. Like you have to see this. If you're listening to this video on a second screen and you're listening to the audio, you have to look at the screen. Like, this is so funny. I haven't seen anything like this in a long, long time. But of course, if we go into details, funnily, this is the one window where the information is still visible, and probably because it's a different element, but it says it's in video AI setup. So that's what it's promoted as. But yeah, if Malcolm were to look at this window, he would say, well, that's chaos theory. So I hope you enjoyed looking at this. I thought it would be a cool malware sample to share, because even though it's not technically very sophisticated or the most evasive, it is quite unique for today's malware. And this kind of pure destruction and this kind of malware is what got me interested in computer security in the first place. So it brings me back to the danoct1 days, viruses for Windows XP, and so on. So I hope this brings some of those memories for you as well, some nostalgia. And let me know your thoughts in the comments below in terms of, do you think this kind of malware is going to make a comeback in 2025? Is this the year? And like and share this video if you had fun. And if you did, do stick around for a quick word. Now, personally, I'm not a huge fan of the Apple, Google, Microsoft monopoly on data, so it's always good to see solutions like Internext, the sponsor of this video, which is a privacy-focused suite of data products. Now, you can store terabytes of data on this, so it's perfect for your machine-wide backups. As you can see, I have my own drive over here. Works just like Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive. It's got a desktop client. You can even use it to run machine-wide backups. Now, you may be wondering how much I'm paying for this monthly. Well, guess what? You don't have to pay anything per month because you can get a lifetime plan. And if you use the coupon code, which is PC85, this is an exclusive coupon code that'll be valid. It's going to give you an 85% off regardless of any other site discounts. Now, they're also adding other products into the suite. They've got a VPN, AV, Mail, and Meet coming up, and it's all protected by zero-knowledge encryption, which means even they cannot look at your data. Plus, it's open source and audited. So if you're looking for a backup solution, cloud storage, definitely check them out using link in description. And of course, thank you all so much for watching. This is Leo, and as always, stay informed, stay secure.